Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to make light wallpaper on iPhone. Yeah, you see this? Okay, very nice light wallpaper, very good. I use my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, how to do this? Okay, let's start together. First, you go to TikTok. Yeah, TikTok. Example. You find the best video. Okay, I think this video. Oh, good. Okay, now I need this wallpaper. Now you can click share and then you select live wallpaper. Now already to download. I need one more. Oh, very good. Okay, sorry. You click this and then live photo. Now already to download. Now come back to home screen and then select photo. And you see live over here. You click this one. Oh, very good. Okay, and then I click this and then use as wallpaper and turn on the live wallpaper, turn on, and then click set to lock screen. Yes, already. Now back to home screen and then lock, open, and you see this. Okay. Oh, very nice. Again. Oh my god, well, pretty girl, make you feel very good. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you guys like this video and have comment and share, subscribe on my iPhone, my channel. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Bye bye everyone.